Here's a stat that really sticks with me. 63% of customers say onboarding is the make or break moment in their relationship with a SaaS company. And companies that nail onboarding, they report 3x higher retention rates. The first 60 days isn't just setup, it's the foundation of long-term success. So I'm a gym guy, and I have been for the last 25 years. I love it. I genuinely think it's the most important thing that I do for my mental and physical well-being. Now, even with that experience, I can't just walk in, load up a barbell, and start deadlifting. That will absolutely fold me, might even end me completely. I have to go in with a carefully crafted plan. I start out with mobility work, a proper warm-up, gradually increase to either max weight or max reps, depending on my scheme. And then I still need to cool down and do some post-workout mobility. It's a process. And the process is what allows for progress. This is very similar to how we think about onboarding at Zen. Start with a clear plan, warm up with some quick wins, and then take that momentum and build into long-term success. So let's talk a little bit about what the first 60 days with Zen looks like. The day your contract is signed, you're gonna get a welcome package email with an enhanced project charter, a kickoff meeting agenda, and our metadata legend that defines all of our early metrics. That's your workout plan. All the while, we're building your integration. Once integration is wrapped, we hop on a kickoff call. We review our early insights from your data and set timelines for all of your key meetings. Everybody leaves knowing exactly what's ahead and what's expected of them. If you don't know how to do a Romanian deadlift or what a correlation analysis is, this is your warm-up, time to discuss. Then we're gonna start training your team on an agreed upon cadence, usually weekly or bi-weekly, depending on their bandwidth. Focus, quick wins that align with our charter goals. Getting users into the platform, taking action, seeing early value fast. Now we're moving. Blood's flowing, we're starting to see results. 30 days in, we're gonna sit down for your first guided insights session. We show you your first wave of KPIs and leading indicators and track your program progress. Then at 60 days, we're gonna come back with session 2. It's really your before and after story, tied directly to business outcomes. Now you see sales effort going up or 10 pounds added to your bench press. Throughout this time, throughout the first 60 days, we're also going to, with Guided Insights Messenger, keep insights flowing automatically. We're gonna drop you little nuggets of insight, keeping up the engagement and keeping up that momentum. For contact centers, the time to value is everything. The faster we can get your team acting on insights, the faster you're gonna see improvements. Shorter handle times, more consistent behaviors, better customer experience. New clients are always shocked that we don't think about onboarding in 6-month increments. Value in under 60 days shouldn't be an outlier, it should be the norm. 3 things to remember if you're thinking about your first 60 days with us. First, we're gonna start with clarity. Shared charter, aligned KPIs, clear timeline. Next, we're gonna work to build confidence quickly. Small wins equal big adoption. Last but not least, we are going to keep insights flowing. Curated guidance means nobody loses sight of their goals. The first 60 days with Zen is about more than setup. It's about results that you can measure. Faster adoption, faster insights, faster ROI. Ready to make your first 60 days your best 60? Click the link and let's pump up those insights.